Bangko pero famous, Bronny James hakot sa NBA All-Star voting. Si Bronny James, anak ni LeBron at teammate niya sa Lakers ay laging bangko, pero humakat ng boto para sa All-Stars. Nakakuha ng 80,000 boto ang anak ni The King, LeBron James na si Bronny sa unang bugso ng isinasagawang NBA All-Star voting. Hindi halos nagagamit ng Lakers ang 20-year-old rookie guard pero ang benta sa kanyang jersey ay aabot na sa $50 million kahit pa ang kanyang statistics ay 0.5 points. 0.1 rebounds at 0.4 assists sa 11.1% shooting lamang. Ibinaba si Bronny sa G-League affiliate ng Lakers sa South Bay squad kung saan kumakana naman ito ng 13.4 points, 3.4 rebounds at 3.9 assists per game. However, his shooting efficiency remains a pressing concern, hitting just 36.6% from the field and 21.2% from three-point range. Ayon kay Nick Wright sa artikulo nito sa Athlon Sports, in all honesty, James's All-Star selection is near impossible and nonsensical. However, speculation has turned to his potential inclusion in the Rising Stars game during All-Star weekend. Unfortunately, such a selection would be controversial, potentially requiring the removal of a more statistically deserving player. The Rising Stars game exists to showcase the league's top young talent, while Bronny's presence would generate commercial buzz. It would be difficult to justify his inclusion based on his current production. James has 2 years of Rising Stars eligibility remaining, offering him the time he'll need to develop into a better all-around player before future consideration for the main All-Star event. Tutok lang para sa mga susunod na kaganapan sa NBA at sa mundo ng basketball.